Hi students, in this lecture you have to study the double fertilization in angiospermic plant. Double fertilization, which is the important characteristic feature of the angiosperm, that the process of the double fertilization firstly discovered by the scientist Navaschin in Fritillary. Double fertilization means the fertilization in which one male gamete unites with the egg forming diploid zygote and other male gamete unites with secondary nucleus or polar nucleus forming the triploid primary endosperm nucleus. Thus, that process of the fusion or process of the fertilization takes place at two times or two parts, which is known as double fertilization. The fusion of one male gamete with egg is known as syngamy or first fertilization.
The pollen grain
And
has two
fusion of
layers. The outer layer is known as exine and it is made up of
that pollen grain which falls on the stigma and shows the germination, and this germination always takes place with sugary secretion secreted by the receptive stigma. Then that sugary secretion which brings out growth of pollen tube through the style, and lastly that pollen tube reach, observe that pollen tube which growing in styler canal or style, during which generative nucleus divides or generative cell divides forming the two male gametes, and these male gametes are carried with the help of pollen tube, and this pollen tube enters through the micropyle and release these two male gametes in the embryo sac. Out of these two male gametes, one male gamete unites with egg forming the diploid zygote, and other male gamete unite with the diploid secondary nucleus forming the triploid primary endosperm nucleus. And thus double fertilization takes place at two different places. This process of the fusion of one male gamete with egg is known as first fertilization or syngamy, while the fusion of other male gamete with secondary nucleus is known as triple fusion or second fertilization. And thus first fertilization and second fertilization takes place twice, so it is known as double fertilization. And this double fertilization, which is the important characteristic of angiosperm, because in gymnosperm single fertilization takes place, only shows the fusion of male and female gamete, and after that process of the double fertilization further developmental changes taking place in the ovary as well as ovule to brings out the development of fruit, development of seed, or formation of fruit, formation of seed, and withering of all other parts which complete their function in the previous stages. Thus, the double fertilization, which is the important characteristic in the angiospermic plant, takes place either by entering that pollen tube through the micropyle, which is known as porogamy, or if that pollen tube enters through the chalazal end, it is known as chalazogamy, or if the pollen tube enters through the integuments, is known as mesogamy. That means pollen tube either enters through the micropyle, either enters through the integuments, or either enters through the chalazal end or chalala. Thus, generally, in majority of the angiospermic plant, pollen tube enters through the micropyle, and that pollen tube is guided by filiform apparatus present on the synergids or sister cells. And these sister cells helps to guide the pollen tube to release two male gametes in the embryo sac, and these both male gametes are utilized or used during double fertilization, and thus it is the completion of double fertilization, and further changes which are known as post fertilization changes are observed in the next period.